Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a Varo Bank account online. If you don't have a Varo account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $50 when you join and spend $20 within 30 days of account opening. Once you clicked on our affiliate link, you will be directed to this page. Here, you will see a button that says Get $50. Click on Get $50. Now, create your login info. On the fields provided, enter an email address, US mobile number, and a password you wish to use. After entering, click on the tick box beside I agree that Varo may send account messages to my provided phone numbers including SMS message for one-time PIN codes via calls, texts, or pre-recorded messages. Then click on Let's Go. A 6-digit verification code will be sent to the mobile number you provided. Once you receive the code, enter it. Then click on Next. You also need to verify your email. So a verification email will be sent to the email address you provided. Check on it for the next step. The email looks like this. Here, you will see a Verify My Email button. Click on Verify My Email. Next, enter your personal information such as your first name and last name. Then select your occupation and country of residence. After entering, click on Next. Varo will send you a card. Here, enter your home address, and the card will be mailed there. Once entered, click on Next. Before you proceed, double-check the address. If everything looks good, click on Confirm. Now, to verify your identity, enter USSN or IDN, and your date of birth. After that, you could apply for a high-yield Varo savings account. If you wish to apply, click on the tick box beside I want to apply for a high-yield Varo savings account. Then click on Next. Lastly, read and review the following agreements. After reading, click on the tick boxes. Then click on Apply. And now you will see a message saying you're approved. That's how you create a Varo Bank account online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.